Good evening, students. Am I audible? So I will take two more type on problem based on dice. In your handout, question number 30. Six square are colored front and back red, blue, yellow, green, white, orange and are hinged together as shown in the figure given below. If they are folded to form a cube, what would be the face opposite to white face? So it is given red, blue, green, yellow, orange, white. I give you two methods. We have discussed construction of box, but what we have discussed easy question. It is a miscellaneous question. It can be easy if examiner asks what is opposite of green. Opposite of green is orange. Alternate face in a column in a row opposite. So green and orange opposite, that is clear. But they ask what is opposite of white. Okay. Opposite of white face. So here method 1, we try to fold it. For folding there are two options. Those who are good in visualization, they can fold in their mind. वो अपने mind में चीजें retain कर सकते हैं. But if you have problem in visualization, if you have problem to hold information in your mind, then you can take help of diagram. We will take help of diagram. So I start with this diagram so that category 1 also can try this question. And I tell you method 2 without folding. But for that I have to teach you concept that will help you in miscellaneous question in detail. Because my concern is not this particular question. यहाँ पे तो अभी ये particular question solve करेंगे. After that I tell you one more property, I tell you one more concept in detail so that we can handle this type of questions or any other questions also. So one thing is you can use diagram. When you have to fold, you have to fix any of the face. किसी को reference बनाना पड़ेगा. Like I fix yellow at the back. Yellow को back में रखेंगे, बाकी सबको ऐसे fold करते जाएंगे. See if you can hold information in your mind better. नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो हम diagram पे लिखते जाएंगे. So that there is no pressure on mind. Yellow at the back. Then I fold orange on the right side. Orange को हमने किया right side में fold. I fold white at the bottom. White किया हमने bottom में fold. Now here, if you fold here, green will be on left side, which is opposite of orange. We already know. So green के साथ साथ blue and red will get folded here. This entire set will get folded like this. Where you have green, you have blue here. Here you have red. You have green, blue, red. Then if you fold, you get blue on the top and you get red in the front. Blue on the top. आपने ये पूरा हिस्सा ऐसे fold करना है. If you fold this entire part like this, you get green on the left. यहाँ पे blue आएगा, फिर ये ऐसे fold होगा, blue will be on the top. So you get white at bottom, blue on the top. I repeat, we keep yellow at the back, step number 1. Then we fold orange on the right side. We fold white at the bottom. After that, we fold this entire part like this. Where you get green on the left, then you fold it blue on the top. So you get white and blue opposite. If you can retain information in your mind, no need to draw this diagram. See here, you keep yellow at the back, orange on the right side, white at the bottom, green on the left side, blue on the top. So white at the bottom, blue on the top. So this white and blue will be opposite of each other. Okay, if you are not comfortable, don't worry. I tell you method 2. which is based on one concept and property. But first I tell you this property number 7 in detail. It will help you in other questions also, in miscellaneous type of questions. See, you have option, this type of diagram you can convert in cube or cuboid, or you can convert in statement. Statement based questions we have done yesterday in detail. So this can be done. I tell you how. Now try to observe this corner. Okay. Here, this roof, this wall and this wall, these are connected by this corner. This corner is adjacent to this roof, that corner is adjacent to that wall, that corner is adjacent to this wall. Or like this roof and this two wall are connected by this corner or connected by a common vertex. Tell me, what is the relationship in roof and this two wall? Adjacent or opposite? Adjacent, because they are connected by a common vertex. Similarly here, this is the common vertex. See here, this common vertex किस किस को बांधे हुए, किस किस को connect कर रहा है? This common vertex connect this roof and this two wall, and this roof and this two wall are adjacent. Because opposite faces, they don't have any common vertex. क्या बता सकते हो, रूफ और फ्लोर में कोई ऐसा कॉमन वर्टेक्स है? नहीं, रूफ के अपने 4 वर्टेक्स हैं, फ्लोर के अपने 4 वर्टेक्स हैं. बिकॉज अपोजिट फेसेस दे नेवर शेयर ए वर्टेक्स. इफ देयर इज अ शेयरिंग ऑफ वर्टेक्स, फॉर श्योर दोस फेसेस विल बी एडजेसेंट. वेट, आई एक्सप्लेन अगेन, देन आई विल डिक्टेट. Here this corner, online student, I repeat, don't worry, this corner, it is common for face number 1, it is common for face number 6, it is common for face number 3. Face number 1, 3 and 6 are connected by this vertex. What is the relationship in 1, 3, 6? Adjacent, not opposite, adjacent. So you write this property number 7. You write, online student लिख लो, if 2 or 3 faces, if 2 faces or 3 faces are connected by common vertex, then these 2 or 3 faces will always be adjacent to each other. If 2 or 3 faces are connected by common vertex, then these 2 or 3 faces will always be adjacent to each other. Okay. One thing is this is property. Second thing is how to use this property. Third thing is how to solve question. Okay, I will tell you in detail. Just give me 5 minutes. Okay, because it will help you to solve other level of questions also. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not asking you a question. I'm just asking you. You focus on this vertex. Can we say this vertex connect 4, 5, 6? Can I say based on this vertex 4, 5, 6 will be adjacent to each other? Why? Because they are connected by a vertex. उनके बीच में common vertex है, और वो connect हैं तो वो adjacent होंगे, opposite नहीं होंगे. So in this case 4, 5, 6 are adjacent. Now here I use this white vertex. Tell me based on this white vertex what we can conclude. 3, 4, 6 adjacent. Now based on this red vertex what we can conclude. 2, 3, 4 will be adjacent without any doubt. I take this blue color here. So based on blue what we can conclude, 1, 2, 3 adjacent. So if you have a common vertex, you can conclude those faces will be adjacent. Now, this is level 1 thing where we have to convert this type of diagram in statement by using common vertex approach. Common vertex use करते हुए हमें इनको स्टेटमेंट में कन्वर्ट कर 1 2 3 4 5 6. अब नेक्स्ट लेवल होगा, क्वेश्चन इज विच फेस इज अपोजिट ऑफ 6. One option you can fold, I already told you, in your mind, or you can use diagram, you can use eraser. Second option is how we can use property number 7 here. So what you see here, this is 6. If you use this vertex, you get 4 5 6, but आगे 4 5 के आगे कुछ है नहीं. So you use this vertex. Step number 1, you focus on this vertex by using this property number 7. Can I say this vertex connect 3 4 6? So I can say 3 4 6 are on adjacent faces. Yes or no? Question is opposite of 6. Then we try to make 3 and 4 common. Yesterday we have done 3 and 3 cancel, 4 and 4 cancel. Answer आ जाएगा. So here can you tell me any other vertex which have 3 and 4 common? ऊपर की तरफ है ये रहा. So which is common for 2 3 4? So second statement is we can say 2 3 4 are on adjacent faces. So you use this two vertex to convert this question in statement, and then we can apply our short trick. 3 and 3 cancel, 4 and 4 cancel. So here in this question 2 and 6 are opposite to each other. Wait, I take two more example. See, if you are comfortable in folding this, I told you second option is this 1 2 3 4 5 6. Question is which face is opposite of 1? Okay, so what we will do, yes answer is fine, but here it's your choice. या तो आपको सीधा आंसर पता है, ठीक है, कि 1 and 4 opposite, I'm happy, 5 सेकंड में आंसर आ रहा है, या you are folding in your mind, you are using diagram, you are using eraser, or you are using this method, property number 7. Property number 7 से कैसे solve करेंगे? We take this vertex. It is common for 1 2 3. So can we say 1 2 3 are on adjacent faces? What is your question? Opposite of 1. So we try to make 2 and 3 common. Can you tell me any other vertex which is common for 2 and 3? Yes. So here you can see another vertex which is common for 2 3 4. So it is common for 2 3 4. So here 2 and 2 cancel, 3 and 3 cancel. So 1 and 4 opposite of each other. So what is opposite of 1? 4. No. I take one more question. Then I ask you. Here it is given red, blue, green, yellow, orange, white. Question is what is opposite of white? So I focus on this vertex. Here it is common for green, yellow, white. So statement number 1, green, yellow, white, 100% adjacent. Why? Connected by a common vertex. Question is opposite of white. So we try to make green and yellow common. So you see any other vertex where you have green and yellow common? Yes. It is blue, green, yellow. So second statement is blue, green, yellow are adjacent. Green and green cancel, yellow and yellow cancel. So blue and white opposite. So what is opposite of white? Blue. Now take your time. Same question. Which face is opposite of face red? Right. If you know answer, good enough. Otherwise, you try. Step number 1, we will focus on this vertex which is common for red, blue, green. So it is red, blue, green are on adjacent face. Question is opposite of red, so try to make blue and green common. So you take another vertex this which is common for blue, green, yellow. So blue, green, yellow are adjacent. Blue say blue cancel, green say green cancel. So red and yellow opposite. Now next, question number 38. I don't know why some students they get confused with this question number 38, but it is okay. It is not difficult. Question number 38 here is, if the total number of dot on opposite faces of a cubical block is always 7. So what is the meaning of this? Total number of dot on opposite faces of a cubical block is always 7. How it is possible? Tell me, if I put one dot here, the opposite of one has to be 6. Total मतलब उनका sum 7 होना चाहिए. So how it is possible you get a 7? 1 plus 6, 7. So it means to satisfy this question, 1 and 6 has to be opposite. No other option. What should be opposite of 2? 5. Because 2 plus 5, 7. The opposite faces should have 2 and 5. What should be opposite of 3? 4. 3 plus 4, 7. First we understand this question. In this question it is mentioned, if the total number of dot on opposite faces of a cubical block is always 7, it means their total has to be 7. It is possible when we have 1 and 6 opposite, when we have 2 and 5 opposite, 3 and 4 opposite. So here out of this 4 answer option, we will check which answer option will satisfy your question. Now in the first case, these are 2 dots. It's okay. Opposite of 2, I have option, I can put 5. So that total becomes 7. But these are the 6 dot. Tell me opposite of 6, what number I can put so that I get total 7, but 1 is already used. 1 नहीं use कर सकते. Opposite of 6 क्या number डालें कि total number of dot becomes 7, but you can't use 1 because 1 is already adjacent of 6. Not possible. So here why figure 1 is wrong, why it will contradict with your question, because 1 and 6 given adjacent, but to satisfy this question I need 1 and 6 opposite. 1 and 6, 2 and 5, 3 and 4 has to be opposite. Since 1 and 6 adjacent, so I don't have an option to put opposite of 6. So it is wrong. Third figure, this is 3 dots, these are 4 dots. What should I put opposite of 3 other than 4 so that total 7? Not possible. ऐसा कोई number ही नहीं बना 4 के अलावा. So since this 3 and 4 are adjacent, so it is wrong. It will not give you always 7. क्योंकि 3 और 4 opposite होने चाहिए थे. Here 3 and 4 adjacent, that's why there is a contradiction. Now in this question, this 5 and 2 are given adjacent. That is also wrong. So here figure 2 it is 1. So that opposite of 1 I can put 6. This is 3. Opposite of 3 I can put 4. It is 5. Opposite of 5 I put 2. So here second figure can satisfy your question. Otherwise first figure there is a contradiction. Why? Because 1 and 6 adjacent. But whereas 1 and 6 has to be opposite. Third figure में क्या problem होगी? 3 and 4 adjacent. 3 and 4 has to be opposite. Next figure 5 and 2 adjacent. Whereas 5 and 2 has to be opposite for this question. Is it okay? Any doubt? कोई rocket science नहीं, easy question है. Question में clearly लिखा है, if the total number of dot on opposite faces of a cubical block is always 7, to satisfy this question 1 and 6 has to be opposite, means 1 and 6 cannot be adjacent, 2 and 5 has to be opposite, can't be adjacent, 3 and 4 has to be opposite, can't be adjacent, and accordingly you check. Now next type, even in our test also, yesterday test there was a question. I take this. A cube of length 1 centimeter is taken out from a cube of length 6 centimeter. What is the weight of the remaining portion? Answer options are given: 5 by 6 of the weight of original cube, 6 by 7 of the weight of original cube, 35 upon 36 of the weight of original cube, 215 upon 216 of the weight of original. So what we will do, we take a cube of length 6 centimeter. Step number 1. I will draw one cube of length 6 centimeter. 6 into 6 into 6, so it is 216 centimeter cube. There is a length 6 centimeter, so 6 into 6 into 6, 216 centimeter. Some student, they do mistake, they remove 1 centimeter layer. Like you have a brick of ice cream, you remove layer by layer. No, then question alag hota. Then question will be like one layer of 1 centimeter is removed. Question keh raha hai, a cube of length 1 centimeter has been removed. A cube of length 1 centimeter. So don't do this mistake. You have to remove a small cube at any corner or any part. Like for example, at this corner, I remove a small cube of length 1 centimeter. So what is this? 1 into 1 into 1, 1 centimeter cube has been removed. Out of 216 centimeter cube, I have removed 1 centimeter cube. But question में तो weight पूछ रहा है. I will not go in the detail of science. Question पूछ रहा है what is the weight of the remaining portion as compared to original cube. But I think all of you have this basic idea. Weight is directly proportional to volume. Volume बढ़ेगा तो weight बढ़ेगा. And weight is directly proportional to density also. Like if you have a two different metal, one have more density, तो जितने चीज में, like I tell, आपको एक example देता हूँ. How come weight is directly proportional to density? I have this box made of a like paper, for example. If I have this size box made of a paper, how much weight will be for this? 200 ग्राम, 300 ग्राम. ठीक है, अगर ये पेपर का बना होगा तो इतने बॉक्स में कितना वेट होगा? 300-400 ग्राम, हद से हद 500 ग्राम. नाउ आई आस्क यू क्वेश्चन, इफ आई हैव ए गोल्ड, प्योर गोल्ड 24 कैरेट ऑफ दिस साइज, ठीक है, एनी गेस कितना वेट हो सकता है? 10 kg, 1 किलोग्राम. हु टोल्ड 1 किलोग्राम? यू आर नियर टू द आंसर. किसने बोला 1 किलोग्राम? हाँ जी. और एनीवन फ्रॉम लाइक गोल्डस्मिथ फैमिली, फ्रॉम सैंड माफिया, बिल्डर्स फैमिली? हाँ जी. 1.5 kg, 4-5 kg. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, कोई लैंड माफिया, सैंड माफिया, साउथ इंडियन? नहीं. आई टेल यू, nearly around 17, 18, 20 kg. Gold is a very dense metal actually. गोल्ड का जो बिस्किट होता है ना, ईंट बोलते हैं, गोल्ड की ईंट, इस साइज की होती है, उसका वेट 1 kg होता है. 1 kg. आपको पता होगा? नहीं पता. So paper will cost around 500 gram. Gold will cost, well, gold weight will be 15 kg. But here what we do, we assume in this question the density is uniform. ऐसा तो नहीं कि यहाँ density ज्यादा है या कम है. So here if you change the volume, weight will change. या मैं उस डिटेल में ना जाके I will explain, because some student they ask question, sir आप वॉल्यूम को कैसे यूज कर रहे हो? I tell, I assume let 1 centimeter cube have 1 kg weight. मान सकता हूं ना मैं. I assume 1 centimeter cube have 1 kg weight. That means 216 centimeter will have 216 kg weight. Can assume 1 centimeter cube have 1 kg weight, so 216 centimeter cube will have 216 kg weight. So out of 216, 1 has been removed. So what is remaining? 215 kg out of 216. So what is the weight of remaining portion? Your answer is 215 upon 216 as compared to original cube. जो बचा वो 215 है, ओरिजिनल कितना था? 216. So your answer is D. So what is the weight of remaining portion? 215 if weight of original cube is 216 kg. Let me take one more question. Question number 40. Don't worry, after selection you come to know about gold weight. पता चल ही जाए. A cube of length 1 centimeter is taken out from a cube of length 8 centimeter. What is the weight of the remaining portion? So we have a original cube of length 8 centimeter. So it is 8 into 8 into 8, 512 centimeter cube. And we have removed a small cube of length 1 centimeter. So this is 1 into 1 into 1 centimeter cube has been removed. So we assume if 1 centimeter cube have 1 kg weight, so original cube have 512 kg weight. So we remove 1 kg. So what is the remaining portion? 511 as compared to original 512. So your answer is D. So remaining portion of 511 kg weight if the original cube have 512 kg weight. Let us try two questions. A cube of length 3 centimeter is taken out from a cube of length 5 centimeter. Find the ratio of the weight of remaining portion is to original cube. Remaining portion is to original cube. Try this. A cube of length 3 centimeter is taken out from a cube of length 5 centimeter. Okay. Find the ratio of the weight of remaining portion is to original cube. So we draw original cube. 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter. So this is 5 into 5 into 5, 125 centimeter cube means 125 kg. And you remove a small cube of length 3 centimeter. So what we have removed? 3 into 3 into 3, 20. So what is the remaining portion? 98. Your answer is 98 upon 125 or 98 is to 120. Ratio and fraction are same. 1 is to 2, you can write 1 by 2. रेशियो को फ्रैक्शन की तरह लिखा जा सकता है. 1 is to 2 को 1 by 2 लिख सकते हैं. So either 98 is to 125 or 98 upon 125 of the original. Is it clear? Any doubt? Now one more question. A cube of length 3 centimeter is taken out from a cube of length 6 centimeter. Find the ratio of the weight of removed portion is to remaining portion. How many you got answer? 189 upon 216. Any one of you? Then you have not read question properly. अब क्या उन्होंने क्वेश्चन बदला है. क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज द रेशियो द वेट ऑफ रिमूव्ड पोर्शन इज टू रिमेनिंग. तीन चीजें, रिमूव्ड, रिमेनिंग, ओरिजिनल. बी केयरफुल. So step number 1, we will draw this. It is 6 centimeter by 6 centimeter by 6 centimeter. So it is 6 into 6 into 6, 216 is original. You remove 3 centimeter by 3 centimeter by 3 centimeter. So what we remove? 27. So here what is remaining? 189. So what is removed? 27, and what is remaining? 189. When you simplify, it will come 1:7, 1/7. I have not asked remaining is to original. मैंने पूछा removed is to remaining. What is removed? 27. What is remaining? 189. And what is original? 206. There are three parts. Be careful. Removed 27, remaining 189, original 260. Now next topic is cutting of cube. I don't know why this topic got weighted suddenly. Okay. I was not expecting 2024 they ask question. I thought maybe गलती से 2025 again they ask question, but 2025 में they play a trick. In a single question they have given two statement, one related to cutting of cube, second related to coloring of cube. मतलब एक ही क्वेश्चन में दोनों कंसेप्ट पूछ लिए उन्होंने. ओके, सो वी विल कवर. मतलब ऐसा नहीं जब क्वेश्चन नहीं भी आते थे तो भी पढ़ाता था, अब तो क्वेश्चन आ भी रहा है. So I take this topic cutting of cube in detail. Now what is important here? We take one cube. Cut in this topic means a straight cut. Not a diagonal cut, straight cut. Cut से मतलब होता है straight cut. And throughout the cube. Throughout the cube. मतलब जब काटना है तो पूरा काटना है, आधा अधूरा नहीं काटना किसी को, पूरा. Throughout the cube. Not a half cut, full cut. Okay. So what like will be asked? They will give number of cut and they will ask for number of pieces. Number of cut given, number of pieces asked. So now here we have three axes, x, y, z. Okay. So first I use one axis, मतलब along this axis. I will clear about three axes also, but पहले एक axis समझते हैं. इस axis के along हम काटेंगे. I use single axis. Along this axis we will cut. ये वाला axis use करेंगे, ये axis. If I make one cut, if I make one cut on this cube, how many pieces we will get? 2. So if I make one cut, I get 2 pieces. You can see 1 and 2. Simple hai? Here, if you have a cake, you make one cut like this, there will be 2 pieces. Simple. On the same axis, I use one axis where I put one cut, I get 2 pieces. If I put 2 cut, how many pieces? One cut give 2 pieces. 2 cut will give you how many pieces? I told same axis. Axis का बहुत important part है. If you use one axis only, you will make 2 cut along the same axis. अगर आप same axis के along दोनों cut लगाएंगे, this is cut number 1, this is cut number 2. Cut number 1, cut number 2. You will not 4 pieces, you will get 3 pieces. I'll make 2 cut. Cut number 1, cut number 2. Same axis. This same axis. Axis नहीं बदलेंगे. इसी axis के along काटेंगे. So here, if we make, अगर आप दो अलग axis use करते हैं, which I will take later, दो अलग axis ऐसे होता है. एक ऐसे, एक cut ऐसे, ऐसे और ऐसे. फिर 4 pieces बनते हैं. I'm not discussing this part right now. We will discuss same axis. Along the same axis, we make 2 cut. Number of pieces will be 3. Here we have 3 pieces. I use one axis or I use the same axis. One cut give me 2 pieces. 2 cut give me 3 pieces. If on the same axis I make 3 cut, how many pieces will be there? 4. देखो ऐसे. आपने 3 cut लगाए. So how many pieces are there? 1, 2, 3. Similarly, if you put 4 cut on same axis, you will get 5 pieces. We will check with the help of diagram. This is cut number 1, cut number 2, cut number 3, cut number 4. Number of pieces you can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One cut give 2 pieces, 2 cut give you 3 pieces, 3 cut give you 4 pieces, 4 cut give you 5 pieces. I will tell you pattern because manually you can't check. Examiner will say you have to put 3 cut on x axis, 5 cut on y axis, 7 cut on z. तो आप नहीं चेक कर पाएंगे, आपको पैटर्न समझना है. On one axis, one cut give 2 pieces, 2 cut give 3 pieces, 3 cut give 4 pieces, 4 cut give you 5 pieces. If you make n cut, we get n plus 1 pieces. If you make 10 cut on one axis, you will get 11 pieces. If you make 100 cut on one axis, there will be 101 pieces. If you make 50 cut, 51 pieces. So this is simple rule. If we put n cut along one axis, there will be n plus 1 pieces along that same axis. 10 कट लगाएंगे तो 11 पीसेस मिलेंगे. If you put 20 cut, you get 21 pieces. If you put 30 cut, you will get 31 pieces. If you make 50 cut, you will get 51 pieces. Now I use 2 axes and then we will see number of pieces. Then I will use 3 axes. Then we will see number of pieces. Then I tell you pattern. I use 2 different axes and I will make 2 cut. 1 plus 1. It's like 1 cut on x-axis, 1 cut on y-axis. I give 3 examples. Like here, this is 1 axis, 1 cut. This is along second axis, second cut. या ऐसे समझो. 1 axis यहाँ, दूसरा एक्सिस ऐसे. एक बार तो मैंने चाकू ऐसे चलाना है, एक बार इस ओरिएंटेशन में चलाना है, इस एक्सिस के अलोंग चलाना है ऐसे. एक एक्सिस ये हो गया मेरा, ये वाला. एक एक्सिस ये हो गया. और यू कैन सी है, this is first axis, this is second axis. So how many pieces we get? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, if you make 1 plus 1 cut, we get total number of pieces 4. Next, we will make 1 plus 2 cut. Cut number 1, cut number 2, and this is third cut along different axis. Cut number 1, cut number 2, cut number 3. Are you able to visualize 2 layers, front layer and back layer? In front layer you have 3 pieces. In the back layer also you have 3 pieces. Total number of pieces you get 6. Now next is 1 plus 3 cut. One, 2, 3, and this is along this axis. You can see in front layer you have 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back layer also 5, 6, 7. So if I make 1 plus 3 cut, number of pieces we get 8. We get total number of pieces 8. 4 front में 4 पीछे. Next, I use all 3 axes. I make 1 cut along x-axis, 1 cut along y-axis, 1 cut along z-axis. I explain 3 axes. This is your first axis. This is your second axis. Third axis बीच से काट देना ऐसे. ये तीसरा axis. Let me explain 3 axes first. See here, I cut along this axis 1, I cut along this axis second, और बीच से मुंडी काटने ऐसे, ये तीसरा axis होता है. Third. This is 1, 2, तीसरा piece. Or I give one more example. How many of you know cooking? कितने लोगों को कुकिंग आती है? Okay, good. In राजेंद्र नगर, पटेल नगर, ठीक है. The intensive work for cooking is, अगर जैसे आपने कुक लगाया, पक्का वो छुट्टी मार रहा होगा, मार रही होगी, ठीक है. तो जिसको कुकिंग नहीं आती उससे बर्तन मंजवाए जाते हैं, फिर उसको धीरे धीरे चॉपिंग सिखाई जाती है. तो आई टेल यू, देयर आर डिफरेंट लेवल. when you learn cooking and you start doing the chopping of your vegetables, you start with one axis. आप पहले एक एक्सिस से स्टार्ट करते हैं. You take onion or tomato, you use knife along one axis. ठीक है, आप नाइफ ऐसे स्टार्ट करते हैं एक एक्सिस पे. With experience, you use one axis, then you start using second axis. ऐसे काटेंगे, फिर पकड़ के उसको दूसरे एक्सिस से भी काटना स्टार्ट करते हैं. प्रो कुक वो क्या करते हैं, ऐसे ऐसे फिर ऊपर टका के बीच से भी काट देते हैं. वो होता है तीसरा एक्सिस. ये छोटे छोटे टुकड़े हो जाए. If you understood all three axes, good enough. Otherwise, tomorrow you can bring cake. We can do practical. जिसको नहीं समझ में, एक केक लेके आना बढ़िया सा. ठीक है, क्यूब शेप लेके आना. सर्कल शेप में भी मेरे को तो समझ में आ जाएगा. आपके समझने के लिए क्यूबॉइड और एक क्यूब शेप का केक बनवाना. ठीक है, फिर 3 एक्सिस उसमें समझेंगे. तो नाउ हियर 3 एक्सिस. And here, are you able to visualize? There are 2 layers, upper and the lower layer. In the top layer, you have 4 pieces, and the bottom layer also 4 pieces. Total number of pieces 8. And if any one of you, including online students, have problem with the visualization, after the class, you can go to dairy shop, take a paneer piece, ask for a bigger one and cubical shape. At your home, take knife. ठीक है, फिर knife से टुकड़े करने. Different axes. Okay, then you see how many pieces are there. And for next 1 week, have paneer vegetable. And don't only have some paneer, have some vodka also. Okay, कभी कभी बारिश भी हो रही है. Now here, is this clear? 3 axes. We can't afford to draw diagram for each and every question. Examiner will say make 4 cut on X, 6 cut on Y, 8 cut on Z. So we have to learn pattern. So I tell you the pattern. Cut to number of pieces. We have 3 axes, X, Y, Z. Simple rule is, if you make n cut along X axis, you will get n plus 1 pieces along X axis. Cut 2 pieces, it is fixed rule, we always add 1. If you have n cut along X axis, we always have n plus 1 pieces along X axis. पढ़ाया ना मैंने? n cut give n plus 1 piece. From cut 2 pieces, we always add 1. So now here, n cut give n plus 1 pieces. If you make m cut along Y axis, then we will get m plus 1 pieces along Y axis. If you make p cut along Z axis, मान लो इस axis के along p cut लगा रहे हो, तो you will get p plus 1 pieces along Z axis. Cut 2 pieces, you have to add 1, 1. N cut give n plus 1 pieces, m cut give m plus 1 pieces, p cut give p plus 1 piece. And rule is number of cut we always add. Number of cut में addition आता है, n plus m plus p. And number of pieces में we always have multiplication. Total number of pieces will be n plus 1 into m plus 1 into p plus 1. So now here n cut give n plus 1 pieces, m cut give m plus 1 pieces, p cut give p plus 1 piece. Total number of pieces is n plus 1 into m plus 1 into p plus 1. Let us check. Here, this is 1 cut. Will give you 1 plus 1 pieces. Simple rule है. Cut 2 pieces, add 1 and multiply. This 1 cut along y axis will give you 1 plus 1 pieces along y axis. So now here it is 2 into 2. You have same answer 4. This 1 cut along x axis give you 1 plus 1 pieces. This 2 cut along y axis give you 2 plus 1 pieces. 2 into 3 is 6. Similarly, 1 plus 3 cut. 1 cut give you 1 plus 1 pieces. 3 cut give you 3 plus 1 pieces. 2 into 4, 8. So can we say this 1 cut give you 2 pieces? This 1 cut also give you 2 pieces. This 1 cut also give you 2 pieces. 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. Let me solve 2-3 more questions. Our type 1 questions are where number of cut are given and number of pieces are asked. Like if examiner say you make 2 cut on X, 2 cut on Y, 2 cut on Z. And examiner asks how many pieces will be there. 2 cut give you 3 pieces. Simple rule. Add 1 and multiply. This 2 cut give you 3 pieces. This 2 cut give you 3 pieces. 3 into 3, 9 into 3, 20s. If you have a cake, you make 2 cut along x-axis, 2 cut along y-axis, 2 cut along z-axis. Your total number of pieces 27. Now, next question. If examiner asks you to make 3 cut on x, 4 cut on y, 5 cut on z, then it is asked how many pieces will be there. So this 3 cut give you 4 pieces, 4 cut give you 5 pieces, 5 cut give you 6 pieces. So it is 20 into 6, 120 is your answer. Is it okay? I ask you a question. 3 cut plus 3 cut plus 3 cut. How many pieces? So 3 cut give you 4 pieces, 3 cut give you 4 pieces, 3 cut give you 4 pieces. So answer is 60. Four cut plus 4 cut plus 4 cut. How many pieces will get? 5 into 5 into 5, 120. Next, you make 2 cut on X, 4 cut on Y, 6 cut on Z. Find how many pieces will be there. 2 cut on X axis, 4 cut on Y axis, 6 cut on Z axis will give you how many pieces? Now here 2 cut give you 3 pieces, 4 cut give you 5 pieces, 6 cut give you 7. What is 15 7 ja? 105. 3 cut on X, 5 cut on Y, 7 cut on Z. How many pieces? Three cut give you 4 pieces, 5 cut give you 6 pieces, 7 cut give you 8 pieces. So it is 24 into 8, 192. One more question. 4 cut on X, 5 cut on Y, 6 cut on Z give you how many pieces? Try this question. Four cut 5, 5 cut 6, 6 cut 7, 13 to 7, 210. So your answer is 210 pieces. Is this type 1 clear? If I give you number of cut, can we find number of pieces? Now here, I fix number of cuts 6. We will make observation about number of pieces. Depend on the distribution of cut. आप 6 कट को अलग अलग तरीके से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हो. Like here you have 7 guests in your party and you have a cake and you want to put 6 cut. You make 6 cut along one axis. See here, कैसे distribute करें? First option is you can make all 6 cut on one axis. If I make all 6 cut on one axis, how many pieces I will get? 7. Now next time I make cut 5 plus 1. If I make 5 cut on x-axis, 1 cut on y-axis, how many pieces I will get? 6 into 2, 12. If I make 4 cut on x, 2 cut on y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many pieces will be there? So here 5 into 3, 50. If we make 3 cut on x, 3 cut on y, 16. 4 into 4, 16. Next, I use all 3 x's. Okay, I will tell later. I use all 3 x's. I make 4 cut on x, 1 cut on y, 1 cut on z. How many pieces will get? So this is 5 into 2 into 2, 20. Now 3 cut on x, 2 cut on y, 1 cut on z. How many pieces? 4 into 3 into 2, 20. Now observation. If you use one axis, you get minimum pieces 7. With the 6 cut, minimum pieces 7. If you want to make 6 cut, I guarantee you will never get less than 7 pieces. 6 cut के साथ minimum pieces 7 आए. The moment you use 2 axis, your number of pieces increase. The moment you use third axis, number of pieces further increase. हम अगर axis बढ़ाते जाएंगे, pieces बढ़ते जाते हैं. Okay, one axis give minimum pieces. One axis give minimum pieces. Now for 2 axis also you have variation. 12, 15, 16. For 2 axis, 16 is the maximum number of pieces. Why? Because your distribution is evenly distribution and the best distribution. If you make 3 cut on x, 3 cut on y, that give maximum number of pieces for 2 axis. For 3 axis, 24 is not maximum. For maximum, your distribution has to be evenly distribution. If you make cut 2 on x, 2 on y, 2 on z, so you get 3 into 3 into 3, 27 pieces. This is maximum. So with 6 cut, minimum pieces 7, maximum pieces 27. First observation, if you increase axis, number of pieces increase. Okay, if we increase axis, number of pieces increase. Which is not that important observation. Okay. Second observation is important. Second observation क्या कहती है? If we put all 6 cut on one axis, we get 7, which is the minimum pieces. If we use one axis, we get minimum number of pieces. For maximum number of pieces, we have to use more axes. We try to use all 3 axes, and your distribution has to be evenly distributed. So point here, for maximum number of pieces, what is important? We have to use all 3 axes, and even in all 3 axes, you have 20, 24, 27. What is important? Distribution of cut is also important. Your distribution of cut has to be evenly distribution. 2 plus 2 plus 2 give you 3 into 3 into 3, 27. So with the 6 cut, minimum pieces 7, maximum pieces 27. Wait, just give me 5 minutes. What are type 2 question? Examiner give you number of cut, will ask you minimum pieces and maximum pieces. Type 2, I take multiple of 3. Number of cut 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Examiner asks you to make 3 cut on a cake and ask with 3 cut what are the minimum pieces possible, what are the maximum pieces possible. My favorite, I always believe in division of labor. 50% work I will do, and my favorite one is minimum pieces. Tell me with 3 cut what are the minimum pieces possible? 4. You put 3 cut on one axis, you get minimum pieces 4. 3 cut से 4 से कम pieces कभी नहीं बनेंगे. The moment you put 3 cut, minimum 4 pieces. With 6 cut, what are the minimum pieces possible? 7. With 9 cut, what are the minimum pieces possible? 10. You put 9 cut on one axis, you get 10 pieces. With 12 cut, what are the minimum pieces possible? 13. With 15 cut, what are the minimum pieces possible? 16. With 18 cut, what are the minimum number of pieces possible? 19. So you make all 18 cut on one axis, you will get minimum number of pieces 90. Now maximum. I solved two questions. See here, with 3 cut, to get maximum number of pieces, you have to distribute 3 cut, like 1 plus 1 plus 1. Number of pieces will be 2 into 2 into 2. No other distribution. 6 cut. With the 6 cut, if you want to have maximum number of pieces, so you distribute 2 cut on X, 2 cut on Y, 2 cut on Z. Number of pieces 3 into 3 into 3, 27. Nine cut, 3 plus 3 plus 3. So here it is 4 into 4 into 4, 60. With 9 cut, what are the maximum number of pieces possible? 60. Now take your time. If I ask to make 12 cut on a cube, what are the maximum number of pieces you can make? So here what you can do, 4 cut on X, 4 cut on Y, 4 cut on Z, number of pieces 5 into 5 into 5, 125. Now with 15 cut, what are the maximum number of pieces possible? 5 cut on X, 5 cut on Y, 5 cut on Z, number of pieces 6 into 6 into 6, 260. How you will distribute 18 cut and what are the maximum number of pieces you will get with 18 cut? 18 cut को कैसे distribute करेंगे? 6 plus 6 plus 6, number of pieces 7 into 7 into 7, 343. I give you a guarantee, with 18 cut, maximum number of pieces possible 343. You can try any other distribution. I guarantee you will never get more than 343. Like last year in one of the batch, one student told, sir, why to take 6 plus 6 plus 6? Let us try some other pattern. Yes, we can try. He suggested 9 plus 9. Okay. Because he thought 9 cut give you 10 pieces, 9 cut give you 10 pieces, but you are using only 2 x's, so 10 into 10, 100. Which is maximum, 343 or 100? (16 plus 1 plus 1) कुछ भी try करना. I give you 1 day time. Except who thought 100 is maximum. You try any distribution, 16 plus 1 plus 1, 14 plus 2 plus 2, any other distribution. I guarantee you will not get 340. 343 तक ही नहीं पहुंच पाऊंगे. So 18 cut के लिए, if we have to make 18 cut and we are looking for maximum number of pieces, our best distribution is 6 cut on X, 6 cut on Y, 6 cut on Z. Number of pieces possible 7, 7, 7, 7 into 7 into 7, 340. My question. You have to put 30 cut on a cube. What are the minimum number of pieces possible and what are the maximum number of pieces possible with 30 cut? With 30 cut, what are the minimum number of pieces? What are the maximum number of pieces? Minimum pieces 31, maximum pieces 10 plus 10 plus 10 give you 11 into 11 into 11, 11 cube, which is 133. टाइप 2 है ना ये. Is it okay? अब तक कोई डाउट? Now there is a doubt, like here, sir, these are multiple of 3. ठीक है, type 3 question. Like if number of cut 10. यही डाउट है ना कि नंबर ऑफ कट अगर 10 होंगे तो क्या करेंगे, या 11 होंगे तो क्या करेंगे. If number of cut, अच्छा, I tell you in type 2 question, when your number of cut is exact multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on, your distribution of cut has to be n plus n plus n. Evenly distribution. That is the best distribution. No other distribution give you maximum number of pieces if your number of cut is exact multiple of 3. Now type 3 question, if our number of cut is not a multiple of 3, let me tell you, with 10 cut minimum number of pieces 11. You put 10 cut on one axis, you get 11 pieces. अब बात आती है मैक्सिमम के लिए क्या करें. You try whatever you want to do, hit and trial, जो भी करना करो. I give you 1.5 minute time. All answers are welcome. Then I tell you the best method. My question is, you have a cube where you are allowed to make 10 cut. With 10 cut, what are the maximum number of pieces you can make? Try this. All answers are welcome. Anji, what is your answer? 4, 32, 75, 80, 79, 80, 36, 36, 60, 128, 243, 99. Achha, if anyone getting 36 as answer, what you have done? 5 plus 5. So it is 6 into 6, 30. Okay. Wait, I'm not saying 36 is answer, but I'm saying what you are doing. If anyone had done 5 plus 3 plus 2, so you are getting 6 into 4 into 3, 72. If anyone getting 72 as answer, you have made this distribution. If anyone getting 75 as answer, how many of you got 75 as answer? Yes, आपने क्या किया होगा? 4 plus 4 plus 2. So it is 5 into 5 into 3, 25 into 3, 70. Or maybe any one of you distributed this 10 cut like 2 cut plus 2 cut plus 2 cut plus 2 cut plus 2 cut. So we get 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 243. But my simple question to you, this 2 cut is along x-axis, this 2 cut is along y-axis, this 2 cut is along z-axis. Where you make this 2 plus 2 cut? So our limit is we have 3 axes. Those who are doing PhD in physics, PDF in physics, they take time as 4th axis. One of my friend has done PhD, उसका PDF भी कर लिया उसने, ठीक है? जो फिजिक्स में PhD वगैरह करते हैं ना, वो टाइम को 4th एक्सिस लेते हैं. बट व्हाट यूपीएससी मेंशन कि सी सेट इज 10th लेवल एग्जाम. तो अपने पास 3 ही एक्सिस है, एक्स वाई जेड. तो इफ यू आर टेकिंग मोर देन 3 एक्सिस, इट इज कंसेप्चुअली रॉन्ग. ठीक है, 3 से ज्यादा एक्सिस नहीं लेने. बट नो प्रॉब्लम इज विद दिस 10 कट. प्रॉब्लम क्या है 10 कट के साथ? You can't make evenly distribution like 3.33 plus 3.33 cut plus 3.33 cut. It's like you have 10 player, you have to make 3 team out of that. ठीक है, 3 3 3 10 मेरे को बीच से काट दिया. 3.33 3.33. So number of cut has to be a natural number. It can't be a decimal value. Now I tell you what to do. For type 3 question, when your number of cut is not exact multiple of 3, what to do in that case? Like you have 10 cut. Just imagine 10 cut like 10 chocolate. You have 10 chocolate with you. Then we have 3 axes. 3 axes like you have 3 friends. You have 10 chocolate with you. After that you can say like you have 3 partner. 3 girlfriend. Maybe 3 boys boyfriend. Why should boys have all the fun? Okay. 3 wife or 3 husband. Okay. पहले like 10 year back, if you have read current affair, there was one lady, Indrani Mukherjee. Anyone of you have read? अभी भी पीछे भी एक आपने पढ़ा है, सही करंट पढ़ा है आपने। अभी भी पीछे भी एक लेडी थी ऐसे ही न्यूज में थी, ठीक है। व्हाट इंद्रानी मुखर्जी हैज डन, वो नए प्लेस पे जाती थी, एक नया हस्बैंड बनाती थी, उसकी प्रॉपर्टी लेती थी, फिर नेक्स्ट टारगेट, ठीक है। हर जगह एक नया पति और नई प्रॉपर्टी, उसका सारा कब्जा। चलो टॉपिक पे आ जाते। You have 10 chocolate with you and you have 3 friends. You want to distribute 10 chocolate in such a way so that you get maximum happiness. By maximum happiness, I mean maximum number of pieces, no other meaning. ठीक है। For example, if you distribute 10 plus 0 plus 0 pieces, हम बाद में देखेंगे। What is so special here? पहले ये बताओ। और इन दोनों ने सारे कपड़े फाड़ देने, अंदर बाहर दोनों, ठीक है। और नंबर ऑफ पीसेस कितने आएंगे? 11. See, our rule is have equal distribution if possible. If it is not possible, then minimum disparity. कम से कम लड़ाई। So step number 1, tell me multiple of 3 near to 10. Nearest multiple of 3, 9, not 12. 12 नहीं है, because between 10 and 12 there is 11. What is nearest multiple of 3 to 10? 9. 9 is the nearest multiple of 3. Just imagine you have 9 chocolate. ऐसा imagine करो कि आपके पास अगर 9 chocolate होती, how you can make best distribution of 9 chocolate? 3 plus 3 plus 3. But you have 1 extra chocolate. That extra you can give to any of these excess. Minimum disparity. If you want to have maximum number of pieces, उसके लिए एक ही फंड है, minimum disparity in the distribution of number of cut और chocolate. पहले आपने सबको 3 चॉकलेट दे दी, सब खुश। एक चॉकलेट जहां पे आपका ज्यादा दिल आ रहा है वहां दे। ठीक है। 3 plus 3 plus 4. 3 cut give you 4 pieces. 3 cut give you 4 pieces. 4 cut give you 5 pieces. So it is 16 into 5, 80. So our correct answer here is 80. No other distribution will give you maximum. 80 से कम आया होगा, 80 से ज्यादा एक ही कंडीशन में आया होगा, if you have used more than 3 axes, which is conceptually wrong. If you are getting more than 80 answer, it means you have done conceptual mistake. Wait, I take 2-3 more example. Number of cut 13. If examiner say number of cut 13, what are the maximum number of pieces possible? Step number 1, tell me multiple of 3 near to 13, 12. Nearest multiple of 3 here is 12. So you make best distribution of 12 first. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Since you have 1 extra chocolate, that extra you can give here. So your best distribution of 13 cut is 4 plus 4 plus 5. No other distribution will give you maximum number of pieces. 4 cut give you 5 pieces. 4 cut give you 5 pieces. 5 cut give you 6 pieces. 25 into 6, 150. Now here number of cut 16. So here multiple of 3 near to 16 is 15. So here 15 को कैसे distribute करेंगे? 5 plus 5 plus 5. So now here it is 5 plus 5 plus 6. So 5 cut give you 6 pieces. 5 cut give you 6 pieces. 6 cut give you 7 pieces. So your answer is 36 into 7. What is 36 into 7? 250. Now try. Number of cut 7. 7 try करो एक बार. If examiner say you have to put 7 cut, what are the maximum number of pieces possible with 7 cut? Multiple of 3 near to 7 is 6. So it is 2 plus 2 plus 2, but it is 1 extra. 2 plus 2 plus 3 is the best distribution. 2 cut give you 3 pieces, 2 cut give you 3 pieces, 3 cut give you 4 pieces, 30. अभी कुछ और क्वेश्चन बचे हैं. राइट, नंबर ऑफ कट 11. Now tell me what is multiple of 3 near to 11. 12, not 9. 9 और 11 के बीच में 10 है, 12. So you imagine you have 12 chocolate. So how you can distribute 12 chocolate? 4 plus 4 plus 4. But since you have only 11 chocolate, you have one less. तो यहाँ अपना अपना खाता चल रहा है. एक एक्स्ट्रा तो दे दी, कम है तो ले ली. तो you give 3. यहाँ पे 4 minus 1. If it is one extra, give. If it is one less, take back. Minimum disparity. एक ही चॉकलेट का डिफरेंस रखना. अगर एक चॉकलेट से ज्यादा डिफरेंस है, पिक्चर खराब है. Maximum there should be a difference of one chocolate. So if it is one extra, give. If it is one less, take back. वापिस ले लेना. So it is 4 cut give you 5 pieces, 4 cut give you 5 pieces, 3 cut give you 4 pieces, 25 into 4, 100. So 11 cut give you 100 pieces. Number of cut 14. What is multiple of 3 near to 14? 15. How you can make 15? 5 plus 5 plus 4. 5 नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि 15 नहीं है, एक कम है. 5 plus 5 plus 5 में से एक वापिस ले लिया. 5 cut give you 6 pieces, 5 cut give you 6 pieces, 4 cut give you 5 pieces, 36 into 5, 180. Try. If number of cuts 17. Try this question. If examiner says you have to make 17 cut, what are the maximum number of pieces possible with 17 cut? So here 18 मान के चलेंगे. 6 plus 6 plus 5. Nearest multiple of 3 will help you. Actually, अगर 18 कट होते you have distributed 6 6 6, but 6 6 5 है. 6 cut give you 7 pieces, 6 cut give you 7 pieces, 5 cut give you 6 pieces. What is the answer? 49 into 6. What is 49 into 6? 290. So idea is, if your number of cut is multiple of 3, n plus n plus n. If your number of cut is not multiple of 3, then there are two options. या तो होगा n n n plus 1, या होगा n n n minus. No other option. If your distribution is in this form, this form, this form, it is perfect. If you are using any other distribution, it is wrong. On its face, I will say it is wrong. या तो वो इस फॉर्म में होना चाहिए, या इसमें, या इसमें. Try one question. Number of cut 8. So question is, with 8 cut, what are the maximum number of pieces possible? Maximum pieces, minimum नहीं पूछा. What is the answer? So multiple of 3 near to 8 is 9. 3 plus 3 plus 2. So it is 4 into 4 into 3, 16 into 3, 40. Is it clear? If I tell you number of cut, can you tell me minimum pieces, maximum pieces? क्या वो multiple of 3 हो या ना? Is it okay? All of us, can we handle this level of questions? Now next is pieces to cut. Pieces to cut. I will tell you. Then your duty at your home, You will take A4 size paper, because when I take cut to pieces, then I take pieces to cut. Some students, they get confused. So on left hand side you write cut to pieces, right side write pieces to cut and compare, because it is similar information. थोड़ा ध्यान रखना. So now here number of pieces to number of cut. Number of pieces to number of cut. उल्टा चलेंगे हम. I talk about one axis. पहले हम one axis की बात करेंगे because it is easy to understand. Now if there are 10 pieces and I have to use only one axis, how many cut I can make? 9. 9 cut give 10 pieces. 10 pieces required 9 cut. If there are 20 pieces, that required 19 cut. 30 pieces required 29 cut. 100 pieces required 99 cut. Cut 2 pieces we add 1. If there are n pieces, number of cut n minus 1. उल्टा हो जाता. Cut 2 pieces we add 1. Pieces to cut we subtract 1. N pieces required n minus 1 cut. Now let me tell you pattern. If it is 3 axes or 2 axes are used, number of pieces to number of cut. X axis, Y axis, Z axis, X axis, Y axis, Z axis. If there are n pieces along X axis, that required n minus 1 cut along X axis. हमेशा pieces to cut में you have to do minus. उल्टा चले. M pieces along Y axis required m minus 1 cut. P pieces along Z axis required p minus 1 cut. N pieces required n minus 1 cut. M pieces required m minus 1 cut. P pieces required p minus 1 cut. And rule is pieces we always multiply, cut we add. Cut हम add करते हैं, pieces multiply करते हैं. Like if examiner say we have number of pieces 5 into 4 into 3. If we have 5 pieces along x-axis, 4 pieces along y-axis, 3 pieces along z-axis, how many number of cut are required? 5 minus 1 cut here, 4 minus 1 cut here, 3 minus 1 cut here, 4 plus 3 plus 2. So here 9 cut are required. Or what you can do? 5 pieces required 4 cut, 4 pieces required 3 cut, 3 pieces required 2 cut, and you add. If number of pieces given, number of cut as minus 1 करके add कर. Let me solve question. Like if it is given 6 pieces into 6 pieces into 6 pieces, required how many cut? 6 pieces required 5 cut, 6 pieces required 5 cut, 6 pieces required 5 cut. So number of cut required 50. If examiner say there are 6 pieces along x-axis, 6 pieces along y-axis, 6 pieces along z-axis, how many cut are required? 5 plus 5 plus 5, 50. Now here if it is 8 into 6 into 4. If examiner say there are 8 pieces along x-axis, 6 pieces along y-axis, 4 pieces along z-axis, how many cut required? 6 pieces required 7 cut, 6 pieces required 5, 4 pieces required 3. So it is 12 plus 3, 50. Now you try. 3 into 4 into 5. How many number of cut are required? Now here 3 pieces required 2 cut, 4 pieces required 3 cut, 5 pieces required 4 cut. So it is 5 plus 4, 9. 6 into 5 into 4. We have 6 pieces along x-axis, 5 pieces along y-axis, 4 pieces along z-axis. So here, what are the number of cut required? 6 pieces required 5 cut, 5 pieces required 4 cut, 4 pieces required 3 cut. Is it okay? Is this rule clear? आ रहा हूं ना, मुझे बेबी स्टेप से चीजें समझ में आती, ये तो समझ में आया ना। His doubt is they will not ask this. What they will ask, they will say number of pieces are 20, and they will ask how many number of cut are required. Okay, let me tell. I tell you observation. One option is here. I have 20 guests and I have a cake. I can put 19 cut. मैं 19 cut एक एक्सिस पे डालूंगा. There will be 20 pieces. I put 19 cut. I get 20 pieces. But someone say, is there any option we can use less than 19 cut? Yes. उसके लिए आपको एक्सेस बढ़ाने पड़ेंगे. Then you have to break 20. But you can't break 20 10 plus 10. Pieces में it should be multiplication. You can do 10 into 2. If I have pieces 10 into 2, tell me how many cut required? 10 pieces required. How many cut? 9. 2 pieces required. How many cut? 1. So this is also an option. ये भी एक अच्छा ऑप्शन है. You make 9 cut on one axis, 1 cut on second axis, you get 20 pieces. Someone say, can we break 5 into 4? बिल्कुल कर सकते हो. Tell me 5 pieces along x axis, 4 pieces along y axis required how many cut? 5 pieces required 4 cut, 4 pieces required 3 cut, so number of cut 7. ये भी हो सकता है. You make 4 cut on x, 3 cut on y, you get 5 into 4 pieces. Someone say, I will further break 5 into 2 into 2. Yes, is it possible? Yes. Tell me 5 into 2 into 2 required how many cut? 5 pieces required 4 cut, 2 pieces required 1, 2 pieces required 1, 6. This is minimum here and this is maximum. So if we use one axis, we will get maximum number of cut. To find minimum, you have to apply your mind. यहाँ दिमाग लगेगा, आपको दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा. Yes, we will use. Can नहीं होगा, we will use that only. ठीक है, रुको. Number of pieces 30. Question is maximum cut and minimum cut. Maximum cut will not trouble you. You make 29 cut, you get 30. Main is minimum. Okay? You try first, then I tell you. Right. 30 pieces. What are the minimum number of cut required? I tell you, for minimum cut करना क्या? You have to break 30. To break that, use factorization. कैसे करेंगे? Here 2 common 15, 3 common 5. ठीक है? तो we will break 30 as 30 को कैसे break करेंगे? 2 into 3 into 5. And you have to take care point, there is a 3 axis. Maximum 3 axis है, वो ध्यान रखता है. It is 1 plus 2 plus 6. So here, sorry, 4. 1 plus 2 plus 4. So here 7 cut. 2 pieces required 1 cut. 3 pieces required 2 cut. 5 pieces required 2 cut. So minimum cut 7. For 30 pieces, minimum cut 7. Right. Number of pieces 105. If number of pieces are 105, for 105 pieces, what are the minimum number of cut required? Maximum तो 104 हो जाएगा. So now here we will use factorization. 3 common 35, 5 कॉमन 7, तो 105 को ऐसे ब्रेक कर सकते हैं 3 इंटू 5 इंटू 7, 3 पीसेस रिक्वायर्ड 2 कट, 5 पीसेस रिक्वायर्ड 4 कट, 7 पीसेस रिक्वायर्ड 6 कट, तो हियर मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ कट रिक्वायर्ड 12. For 105 pieces minimum cut 12. Try this. Number of pieces 70. For 70 pieces, what are the minimum number of cut required? So now here we have to take 2 common 35, 5 common 7. So 70 is 2 into 5 into 7. 2 pieces 1 cut, 5 pieces 4 cut, 6. So it is 11. Okay. No. Try this. Number of pieces 24. Try this question. What are the minimum number of cut required? Take time. All answers are welcome. Some of you might do some mistake, but we will learn from that mistake so that later on we will not repeat that type of mistake. 5, 6, 7. Some might be getting 7. In this question, some student they got answer 7, some student they got answer 6, some student they got answer 5, and all are equally confident about their answer. जिसका आंसर 7 आया है, he has taken 2 into 2 into 6, taken 1 plus 1 plus 5, 7. जिसका आंसर 5 आया उसने क्या गलती की? Here we break it 2 common 12, 2 common 6, 2 common 3, taken 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 2 pieces 1 cut, 2 pieces 1 cut, 2 pieces 1 cut, 3 pieces 2 cut. Problem is this is along x-axis, this is along y-axis, this is along z-axis, where you make this 2 cut. You can't use more than 3 axes. तो पहले से clear. Now I tell you what to do in this type of question. If number of pieces given 24, step number 1, use factorization. Now we take 2 common 12, we take 2 common 6, we take 2 common 3. So this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. But problem here is we have 4 multiple and our x's are 3. So what you have to do? You have to do clubbing. यहाँ पे हमें करनी पड़ती है clubbing. We have to club 2 multiple because we have only 3 x's. And there is a rule of clubbing. You are looking for minimum cut. In clubbing you have option. आपके पास option है या तो आप 4 लेंगे या आप 6 लेंगे. So you can take 4 into 2 into 3, or some student they have taken 2 into 2 into 6. In clubbing, if you take bigger number, that will give you more cut. Number बड़ा होगा तो वो ज़्यादा cut देगा. So clubbing का rule है, when we are looking for minimum cut, when you have to club, we are looking for lesser multiple. अगर आपका मल्टीपल छोटा होगा तो वो लेस नंबर ऑफ कट देगा. 4 pieces required 3 cut, 2 pieces required 1 cut, 3 pieces required 2 cut. So your answer is 6. Correct answer in this question is 6. Wait. Now next question is number of pieces 100. Question is for 100 pieces, what are the minimum number of cut required? Step number 1, we use factorization. 2 common 50, 2 common 25, 5 common 5. So it is 100 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Problem here is we have 4 multiple, but our x is 3. मतलब 4, like here you have 4 things, but आपके पास स्पेस 3 का है, तो 3 में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. You have to club. So you have option. You can club 2 and 2, which give you 4. You can club 2 and 5, which give you 10. You can club 5 and 5, 25. Someone say 5 is my favorite number. You keep your favorite number outside the examination hall. Why? क्योंकि 25 pieces required, 24 cut. Our topic is we are looking for minimum cut. Lesser number give you minimum cut. तो क्लबिंग का रूल है, whenever you have to club, we are looking for lesser multiple. Multiple जितना छोटा होगा उतना बेहतरीन. So now here it is 4 into 5 into 5. 4 pieces required 3 cut. 5 pieces required 4 cut. 4. So your answer is 11. For 11 pieces, minimum number of cut required 11. ले लो, मैं मना नहीं कर रहा. क्यों नहीं आ रहा? क्योंकि आपने 10 लिया है. 4 बड़ा कि 10 बड़ा? और जो बड़ा वो छत पे खड़ा, उससे आंसर नहीं आएगा इसमें, इस टॉपिक में, क्योंकि टॉपिक क्या है? मिनिमम कट. तो मिनिमम के लिए मल्टीपल छोटा होना चाहिए. Try 60. Take your time. For 60 pieces, what are the minimum number of cut required? We have to use factorization. 2 common 30, 2 common 15, 3 common 5, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Since there are 4 multiple, you have to club. अब clubbing में you have option 4, 6, 15. Which is better? 4. So 4 into 3 into 5 give you minimum cut. 4 pieces required 3 cut, 3 pieces required 2 cut, 5 pieces required 4 cut. So your answer is. So if number of pieces given, if you are looking for minimum number of cut, we have to do factorization. After factorization, if you have 3 multiple, no issue. If you have more than 3 multiple, you have to think about clubbing. यहाँ दिमाग लगेगा clubbing. But there is one exception where no need to use factorization or clubbing. ये पूरा प्रोसेस नहीं यूज किया जाता. एक और क्वेश्चन है उनमें, लिख लो exception. If number of pieces are already a perfect cube number, if number of pieces are already perfect cube number, then there is no need to follow factorization and clubbing steps. We will get direct answer. If number of pieces are already a perfect cube number, no need to follow factorization and clubbing process. We will get direct answer. I tell you. जैसे 216 है, we will get direct answer. कैसे आएगा बता दो. 216 है. If you will do clubbing, you will get confused. 2 common, 2 common, 2 common, 3, 3, 3. फिर आप देखोगे 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So you have to do 3 clubbing. फिर स्टूडेंट क्या करते हैं? 2 into 2 कर देंगे और पिक्चर खराब. 216 is already 6 into 6 into 6. That itself is the best distribution for minimum cut. जब नंबर वो परफेक्ट क्यूब है, you take n into n into n, itself will help you. So 6 pieces required 5 cut, 6 pieces required 5 cut, 6 pieces required 5 cut. So your answer is 50. यहाँ पे आपने फैक्टराइजेशन और क्लबिंग नहीं करनी है. If your number of pieces are already a perfect cube, n into n into n will help you to get your answer. Try 512. If number of pieces are 512, what are the minimum number of cut required. So here it is 8 into 8 into 8. 8 pieces required 7 cut. 8 pieces required 7 cut. So your answer is 20. Try one more question. If total number of pieces 1000, for 1000 pieces, what are the minimum number of cut required? तो 1000 को कैसे ब्रेक करेंगे? 10 into 10 into 10. 10 pieces required 9 cut, 9 cut, 9 cut. So it is 20. यूपीएससी में क्वेश्चन पूछा है लाइक हियर देयर आर 64 पीसेस, ठीक है, फॉर 64 पीसेस व्हाट आर द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ कट रिक्वायर्ड. 64 पीसेस के लिए मिनिमम कट कितने चाहिए होंगे? 64 4 into 4 into 4, 4 pieces 3 cut, 4 pieces 3 cut, 4 pieces 3 cut. So your answer is, अभी जो क्वेश्चन पूछा था इस साल उसमें 60 थे. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पीसेस आर 60, व्हाट आर द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ कट रिक्वायर्ड, ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था इस. टेक योर टाइम. 60 पीसेस, व्हाट आर द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ कट रिक्वायर्ड. यहां करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर नहीं है. ठीक है, फैक्टराइजेशन यूज करेंगे. अच्छा, प्राइम नंबर का पूछा. हाँ रुको ना, मैं भी सोचा 2-3 मिनट बचे करें तो क्या करें, वो आपने दे ही दी. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 क्लब. 4 into 3 into 5. 3 plus 2 plus 4. एक हेडिंग डाल लो, इफ नंबर ऑफ पीसेस आर प्राइम नंबर. I tell you number of pieces 5. I tell you for 5 pieces maximum cut 4. I make 4 cut on one axis, I get 5 pieces. Try minimum. Tell me what are the minimum number of pieces required for 5 pieces. What are the minimum number of cut required for 5 pieces? और तो मैक्सिमम है. What about minimum? 4 ही आएगा. Minimum is also 4. I give you 1 day time. At your home you try any other pattern. If you get less than 4, I have a chocolate for you. 5 pieces के लिए मैक्सिमम कट भी 4 है, मिनिमम भी 4 है. तो लिख लो, फॉर प्राइम नंबर ऑफ पीसेस मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम कट आर इक्वल. प्राइम नंबर ऑफ पीसेस, अगर नंबर ऑफ पीसेस आर प्राइम नंबर, मैक्सिमम कट एंड मिनिमम कट आर इक्वल. उसमें मैक्सिमम मिनिमम कट इक्वल होते हैं. जैसे 97 है, इफ नंबर ऑफ पीसेस आर 97, फॉर 97 पीसेस मैक्सिमम कट 96, even minimum cut are also 90. Why? Because you can't do factorization of prime number. 97 को कैसे ब्रेक कर सकते? ज्यादा 97 into 1 into 1. Since it is not divisible by any other number, तो 97 के लिए 96, 1 के लिए 0 0 आएगा, तो वही. You can't use 3 axis. You can't afford to use 3 axis for prime number. प्राइम नंबर पीसेस के लिए देयर इज ओनली वन ऑप्शन, यू हैव टू यूज वन एक्सिस. यू कांट यूज सेकंड एक्सिस. द मोमेंट यू यूज सेकंड एक्सिस देयर विल बी मल्टीप्लिकेशन. द मोमेंट देयर इज अ मल्टीप्लिकेशन इट बिकम कंपोजिट नंबर. फिर वो प्राइम नंबर ही नहीं रहेगा. जैसे ही आपने 1 के अलावा किसी और नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, दैट नंबर लूज इट प्रॉपर्टी एज ए प्राइम नंबर. वो कंपोजिट बन जाएगा. You multiply any number with 2 or a greater number, will it remain prime number? वो प्रोडक्ट जो होगा वो कंपोजिट बन जाएगा. अगर वो प्राइम है तो उसमें फैक्टराइजेशन हो ही नहीं सकता. फैक्टराइजेशन हो नहीं सकता तो मैक्सिमम मिनिमम सेम है. फॉर प्राइम नंबर ऑफ पीसेस मैक्सिमम कट एंड मिनिमम कट आर इक्वल. नाउ वी विल हैव टेस्ट. टेस्ट पेपर दे दो. Question number 4. Let me clear one thing about this. Here this is dot, this is circle. In the third figure, what it is given, अगर आपके उसमें printing में clear नहीं है, it is circle, inside circle there is a dot. So both are combined in on this face. मतलब ये वो जो है ये big dot नहीं है, ये circle के अंदर dot है. This face, third figure में it is circle, inside circle there is a dot. Accordingly mark answer कि ऐसा possible है कि नहीं है, then you can eliminate wrong answer. Done? Okay. Might be having confusion in question number 2, 3, 4. बाकी तो हो गए ना? Okay, I will discuss. I give the answers and all. Before that, there is one announcement. Like for our CSET student, every batch, what we do, we provide one mentorship session, GS mentorship session, free of cost. Like if you have problem with your strategy, if you have problem in managing your syllabus, your sources, okay. So what you can do, you can ask at reception, you can fix your half an hour slot with our mentor, where you can discuss your GS strategy with our mentor. But let me tell you, if you are planning for online student, it will be on Zoom call. So you can give your name, number, so they can give a schedule. On Zoom call, you can have that half an hour session. But my point is, there are two type of candidate. One candidate, they ask general questions, sir पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही. Then they get the general reply, पढ़ लो. ठीक है? And second type of candidate, they come with like here specific doubt. So if you are planning to attend that session, I tell you, you do some homework, you note down your sources. एक पेपर पे sources लिख के लाना कि like for polity I'm doing this, for geography I'm doing this, for this subject I'm following this. So then our mentor can help you to fill the gap. ठीक है? If you have problem with your study plan, notes making का issue है, तो you come with some notes, कुछ 2-3 पेज के notes लेके आना, so that mentor can read, can guide you कि हाँ इसमें ये changes कर सकते हो, so that you can make better notes. Answer writing, you can come up with 1 or 2 answers, 1-2 answer अपना साथ में लेके आना. If you have done answer writing, so mentor can guide कि you can improve your answer writing in this way. Okay. So after this class or maybe tomorrow, you can give your name, number. They will give a slot, half an hour slot. Then at that time you can meet with our mentor. If you have problem with your GS preparation, so you can have a discussion with our GS mentor. Sekhu sir is there. He's good. So now here answers. So it is number of cut given, minimum maximum pieces asked. So 11 cut, minimum pieces 12. What are the maximum pieces? 100. With 7 cut, what are the minimum pieces? 8, maximum 30. 13 cut, minimum pieces 14, maximum 150. 12 cut, minimum pieces 13, maximum pieces 125. 10 cut, minimum pieces 11, maximum pieces 80. 8 cut, minimum pieces 9, maximum pieces 48. 14 cut, minimum pieces 15, maximum pieces 180. यही तो है. कट टू पीसेस है, वो पीसेस टू कट नहीं है, उल्टा कर दिया क्या? होता है. दैट्स व्हाई आई आस्क, घर पे एक A4 साइज पेपर लेने का है, लेफ्ट साइड कट टू पीसेस, एक एक एग्जांपल लिख लेना और पैटर्न लिख लेना. right side pieces to cut, because I have seen student when cut given pieces are वो उल्टा कर देते हैं, जैसे यहाँ पे 11 का 10 लिख दिया होगा, ठीक है। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, question number 2 your answer is B, 2 only. Question number 3 answer is 1 only. Question number 4 your answer is 1 and 2 only. I tell you, I take question number 2, 3, 4. Then if you have doubt in cut pieces, you can ask. I will discuss question number 2, 3, 4. Now here question number 4. Elimination technique. Is it possible that circle and dot will be together? Circle is a different face, dot is a different face. Circle and dot has to be on opposite face. How come they merge? Circle and dot can't be on a single face, because this face is opposite to this face. Circle and dot has to be on opposite faces. So third is wrong. If 3 wrong, 3 wrong, 3 wrong, A correct. Eliminate wrong answer. Question number 4 is easy if you eliminate wrong answer. थर्ड फिगर गलत फिगर है, बस मुझे ये नहीं पता कौन सी करेक्ट है, बट इट इज 100% श्योर थर्ड फिगर इज अ रॉन्ग फिगर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में it is easy to eliminate wrong answers. Now in this question we know F and B will be opposite, E and C will be opposite, A and D will be opposite. अब जैसे 1 है, in 1 it is given B and F are adjacent. So if you check, B and F has to be opposite, E and C has to be opposite, A and D has to be opposite, B and F adjacent, wrong. 1 wrong. 1 eliminate करते ही आंसर आ जाएगा. 1 eliminate करते ही आंसर आ. 1 is wrong. हाँ, इसमें दिमाग लगेगा, इसमें दिमाग लगेगा. I will come to this. Is it okay? Question number 2, question number 4, eliminate. It will be easy. Come to question number 3. Yes, it is bit difficult side. It is easy to eliminate 2 answers, but दो में confusion रहेगा. I will clear that also. This face and this face opposite. If in a column 4 faces, 1 on left side, 1 on right side, I told you construction of box वाली क्लास में left and right will be opposite. तो ये जो हाफ शेडेड जाली बनी हुई है ना, जाली टाइप, ये दोनों आपस में अपोजिट हो. हाउ कम दिस विल बी एडजेसेंट? 2 इज रॉन्ग. हाउ कम एडजेसेंट? 3 इज रॉन्ग. पहले तो 2 और 3 एलिमिनेट कर दो. अब बचा 1 और 4 एंड देयर इज अ कंफ्यूजन. यस, 1 और 4 में थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन है, थोड़ा दिमाग लगेगा उसके लिए. हियर शॉर्ट ट्रिक विल नॉट वर्क, शॉर्ट ट्रिक विल नॉट वर्क. कॉमन वर्टेक्स अप्रोच यूज करें. ध्यान से देखना. हाउ कम 4 इज रॉन्ग? आई विल प्रूव हाउ कम 4 इज रॉन्ग. You take this is circle faces face number 1, square faces face number 2, blank is face number 3, it is 4. If it is 1, it is 2, 3 will be at bottom because 1 and 3 opposite. ठीक है. अब करना क्या है? You have to focus on this vertex जो 2, 3, 4 को कनेक्ट कर रहा है. इस वर्टेक्स पे ध्यान दो, विच कनेक्ट 2, 3, 4. Have I told you if a vertex is common for 2, 3 faces, this 2, 3 faces will be adjacent. तो इसका मतलब based on this vertex 2, 3, 4 will be adjacent. कैसे? 2 फ्रंट में, 3 बॉटम में, 4 राइट साइड. ठीक है. बट पिक्चर कहां बिगड़ रही है? दिस वर्टेक्स विल बी दिस वन. अब ये वर्टेक्स ये होगा because a adjacent or a common vertex between front, right and bottom is this. तो ये हो गया ये this one. Now here this shaded portion is adjacent to vertex or away from vertex. ये जो adjacent थोड़ी मतलब उससे दूर है ना, second half में है ना, it is first half, it is second half. So your half shaded will be in the second half. But ये इसके साथ कैसे है? अगर ये ऐसा दिया होता, this is square, this is circle, if this part is half shaded rather than this, दूसरी साइड का अगर half shaded दिया होता, it is correct. Because of this shaded portion is just adjacent to circle, means just with the this vertex, it that's why it is wrong. मतलब ये देखो, ध्यान से देखो, 2, 3, 4 are connected by this vertex. If you try to merge it, this is face number 2, bottom is 3, this is 4. So this is this vertex. Your half shaded is away from vertex. तो वो दूसरी इस साइड का शेडेड होना चाहिए था. That's why 4 is wrong, 2 wrong, 3 wrong, 4 wrong, 1. Not that easy, क्योंकि सीधा शॉर्ट ट्रिक नहीं लग रहा, दिमाग लगाना पड़ रहा है. ओके, बट वन थिंग इज गुड, इन सी सेट दे आर नॉट आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि डायग्राम देना पड़ रहा है. तो सी सेट में इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछता. जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ प्रैक्टिस वी हैव कम. तो आंसर आज कट टू पीसेस में तो कोई इशू नहीं ना, पीसेस टू कट में इशू आता है प्राइम नंबर का. एनी अदर डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी टुमारो, आई हैव सम वर्क. कोई और डाउट है कल पूछ लेना. कट वाला तो नहीं कोई डाउट, कट से पीसेस का. ओके, एनी अदर डाउट यू कैन डिस्कस विद मी टुमारो. थैंक यू.